everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shaughnessy, and I am so appreciative of you clicking on my video, and I hope you enjoy the content today. And remember, if you like the vibe, don't forget to subscribe. Today I have an unboxing video from the House of Sillage, and I purchased another one of the mystery vaults, the Summer Mystery Vault, and the one I purchased is the Endless Summer Fragrance and Beauty Vault, and it just got delivered and I couldn't wait, so I'm going to do an unboxing video, and let's go ahead and tear into this bad boy, okay? True unboxing style. I am ready to see what I got. Well, we'll save that to afterwards. Let's get into this box. I'll put that down here. So, here's the pretty box. And this is the Endless Summer Fragrance and Beauty Vault. Their packaging is always so pretty and looks. Inside, I think I saw someone saying this could expand, and it does a little bit, but does this drop down? I guess not. You know, I'm the type, I'm so involved in seeing what's inside, I don't pay attention to the little things about packaging. Let's see, what do I want to do first? Do I want to do fragrance? I'm going to do the lipstick on this one first, because the last one I did the fragrance, and I just let's build the anticipation. Even though I keep looking at the box, I know y'all see me, but I'm just like, no, let's save the best. Oh, that's just extra packaging for last. Okay, I'm trying to pull the thing, y'all. Let me in. So I'm going to go over the packaging a little bit more this time. You open it up, it looks like that. And it says, inspiration and empowerment wrapped in the opulent beauty of the bow. So this is a bow lipstick case. And I figured based off of the other mystery vault I purchased that I would get a full size fragrance and a bow lipstick case and one lipstick refill. So of course, let's see what color. I don't even want to peek until I can do it with you all. And you all, it's cloudy today, so if the lighting is changing, please excuse the quality of the video. I'm still learning, but if you wanted a true unboxing, I had to do it when it got here, because I was not gonna wait. I am not one of those YouTubers who's like, I'm just gonna wait, I have the willpower. I don't. I want to know what I got. So please excuse the lighting. Let's see the color together. Yellow. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Case is beautiful as usual, but I'm not a fan of yellow. I'm just going to be honest. So I'm going to maybe see if my mom would like this, or it might go in a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers, because I want to have a nice giveaway. I mean, it's still beautiful, but, and I know it's summery and bright, and it might grow on me, but I've never been a big fan of yellow. The lipstick that came in this case with this lipstick, what did I say? The lipstick that came to go inside the bow case is Night. So let's see what color that is. Oh, it doesn't come up, and I'm not going to put it in that one right now. So this is kind of a nudish brown. And I think it'll look good on my skin tone. I can't do a squash. I can't do a swatch right now because I don't want to put it in the case. But that is the color, and I do like that. So, coup de grace. Let's see what fragrance I got. I'm trying not to even peek. So I see it. This came, okay, hold on. This came undone. So let's look together. Ooh, I know it's a Whispers in the Garden. Let's see. Ooh, that is pretty packaging. It is Whispers of Enlightenment. Oh. This was on my to buy list, okay? So now I have it. And if you all remember, I'm gonna put a tag up here in this video to check out the reviews of the Whispers of Garden collection from Sillage. I got the Discovery Kit, and when I sprayed this one, y'all, okay? And I'm gonna link the other Whispers, not Whispers, the House of Sillage Signature Collection Discovery Kit also. This, you all, oh, it's so pretty. Look, and last time I forgot to show you the top. Gorgeous. It's peachy with gold flowers, Swarovski crystals. It's Swarovski crystals around the top, and on the inside it says House of Sillage and Whispers of Enlightenment. And I love gold, so this is just beautiful. Smells good. If you all want to find out what I think this smells like and how much I love it, go check out that video I did. Okay, so that was the Endless Summer Mystery Vault. So inside this vault, you receive the Whispers of Enlightenment full-size fragrance. You receive a bow lipstick case in yellow. And you receive the lipstick that goes inside the case in night. And I hope you can see that because I'm filming on my phone and I can't see it. So I hope I showed it to you correctly. So that was everything in the Endless Summer Mystery Vault. And I'm very excited, so I can take that fragrance off my list. So I have been seeing videos about this limited edition lipstick case. And, you know, the 25% sale is still going on. And I said, Shaughnessy, go for it. So I went for it, you all. And the packaging on the limited edition is gold and white, and I love this in gold. Love it. So it says the same thing. You have your authentication card. And let me show you all which one. Okay, this one's hard to get out. Let me show you which one I purchased. And we're going to see it together in person. Oh, I hope it lives up to the hype. Oh, it is beautiful. It is so pretty. You know, I was reading in some comments on other videos that, you know, I'm tired of the House of Sillage and blah, blah, blah. And the packaging is not all that. And just because it's expensive, you know, it doesn't mean it's good. If you're a girly girl, okay, look at this. It's white and gold. It has the flowers. It has a design of the Whispers of Garden collection. And it has Swarovski crystals all over it. It is just so pretty. And look at these together. Come on now. That is gorgeous. Girly girl, I'm in love. Oh, it is so pretty. So, to go with my gold lipstick case, and this one is the Whispers of Truth lipstick case. I couldn't remember. So it's the Whispers of Truth, and it goes along with the limited edition perfume they have, Whispers of Truth. Love that one also. So to go with that, I got the limited edition refill in gold and Baron. Because, you know, in the regular line, okay, Baron doesn't want to come out. Seriously? Y'all. Okay, hold on. It's coming out. Push it. There. So this way, when you put your lipstick in here, it will match the case, gold. Because the other one, you know, the outline is in silver. So I wanted it to match the case because I'm extra like that. So Baron looks like a nudie pink. Good for all skin tones. That's what it looks like. I'm excited. And the gold case is so pretty. I love gold. And it used to be when I was younger, I was all about silver. And I still love silver, but I wear mostly gold. And this is in Prince. The other lipstick refill I got in gold. This looks close to Baron, but pinker. So these are both lovely. So this is, oh my goodness, ooh, I'm dropping stuff. Hold on. This is in Prince. So pretty. Okay, so that was my House of Sillage unboxing video for the Endless Summer Mystery Vault. And I am very pleased, even though I'm not loving the yellow, I'm still very pleased with the perfume because I wanted a fragrance. And okay, let me tell y'all something. So these came out, and I was looking through my email and said, oh, they have new vaults, okay? So I get on there, on their website, and I am like studying to see what's in the vault, to see if I can figure out what fragrance, okay? So the Love and Innocence, they have three out. They have the Love and Innocence vault, they have this Endless Summer vault, which I'm showing you, and they have the After Dark Mystery Vault. I knew I didn't want the After Dark because I figured it was going to be a nighttime scent. And the way I purchase fragrance, I purchase for the season I'm in, unless it's something that's getting discontinued, or I see something for such an amazing deal, I can't pass on it. I buy the fragrance for the season that's current. So we're spring, summer, so I'm looking for spring, summery scents to purchase. So I looked at the Love and Innocence, and I was like, oh my goodness, if that love is in the air. Oh, I was going to purchase both mystery vaults. So, but like I said, I was doing some digging, and I was looking at the notes and reading the hints, because they give you hints to see what's in the box. And I said, I feel like this Love and Innocence is going to be that Whispers of Innocence fragrance. And that is not a fragrance I love. That is not a fragrance I want a full bottle in. That I would have been upset. So I said, you know what? I'm going to hold off, see if I see some videos to see if it turns out that I'm right. Guess what? I was right. It's the Whispers of Innocence fragrance in that box. So I am so glad I didn't purchase that Mystery Vault because it's not a favorite fragrance of mine. And for the Endless Summer Mystery Vault, I was like, okay, I was thinking it's going to be Haute Bijou. Or I thought maybe this one, but I was leaning toward Haute Bijou the way they described it. And I was so excited because that's on my list too. But I'm so happy with Whispers of Enlightenment. And I just thought, I just got a kick out of figuring out what was in the box. And I'm noticing that in these mystery vaults that except for a select, well, they're not even up there now. So usually it's showing that you're getting the same thing in each vault. That's what I'm noticing. So it's a good chance that you will be receiving these items, this fragrance, and the bow in yellow and what was this one? Night. I'm noticing that they're coming with the same items. So that can hopefully help you decide if that's one you want to purchase. And the Whispers of Time lipstick bouquets. If you love this, while it's 25% off, go for it. Okay, it's beautiful. It is just so pretty. Okay, so that's everything from my House of Sillage order. I do want to get the pink limited edition of the lipstick bouquets. So you might be seeing that sometime in the future. We'll have to see. It will be if the sale is still going on. But I'm loving the House of Sillage. I'm enjoying the mystery vaults. But I think I'm done with the mystery vaults for now. Unless one comes out and they release another one and I can kind of figure out like I did for the Love and Innocence one. Going with my gut, then I might purchase another one if one really catches my eye. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you're lacking anything from the House of Sillage. What's on your wish list? Let's start a conversation. I love talking with you all in the comments. Please turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. And I want to say thank you. I did reach my goal of 50 subscribers and it's not even the end of May. So come on, you guys, help me get to 100. Let me get 3 digits. You know how when you were little and you wanted, well, me. When I was 9, I was like, I'm so ready to have double digits. I'm ready. And now, you know, let's slow the aging process. But come on, let me get to 3. Help me get to 3 digits. Let's get to 100. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. And until next time, bye.